Welcome to this video, where we'll guide you through Bilaxy, one of the most versatile cryptocurrency exchanges for trading a diverse range of altcoins. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this tutorial will help you understand the platform's functionality and unlock its full potential. To begin, visit the official Bilaxy website. Signing up is simple. Click on the Sign Up button, enter your email, and set a secure password. Don't forget to use the link provided in the description to get your exclusive bonus for new users. Once your account is created, verify your identity through the KYC process to unlock all features. The Bilaxy dashboard is intuitive, offering quick access to markets, wallet management, and trading tools. Navigate to the Markets section to view all available trading pairs. Use the search bar to find specific coins. Clicking on a pair brings up the trading interface, which includes charts, order books, and options for limit, market, and stop limit orders. Depositing funds is easy. Go to the Wallet section, select the currency you want to deposit, and generate a deposit address. Copy the address and transfer your crypto from your external wallet. Deposits usually take a few minutes to reflect. You can also check your transaction history for updates. For trading, analyze price movements using the platform's integrated charts powered by TradingView. Set your buy or sell parameters, confirm the transaction, and monitor your open orders in real time. Bilaxy's competitive fees and fast transaction processing make it a favorite among active traders. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Bilaxy also offers an innovative token launchpad, providing access to new and promising crypto projects. Stay updated by exploring the announcements section to participate in upcoming events. Withdrawals are straightforward. Navigate to the Wallet section, choose your asset, enter your recipient address, and confirm. Make sure to safeguard your account by enabling two-factor authentication 2FA. This step significantly enhances the security of your funds and personal information. Regularly review your account activity to stay ahead of any unauthorized access. That's all for this comprehensive guide to Bilaxy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for updates on more crypto tutorials and insights.